Colorado's outdoor living market is experiencing unprecedented growth. More residents and tourists are driving demand for functional outdoor spaces, making custom awnings essential improvements rather than luxury additions. These installations combine function, aesthetics, and sustainability, while enhancing comfort and curb appeal. Homeowners throughout Denver, Boulder, Colorado Springs, and Fort Collins want year-round outdoor living solutions. The surge in demand has created significant supply chain challenges. Installation timelines have stretched from the previous 2 to 3 weeks to 8 to 12 weeks. Aluminum extrusion plants operate at 85% capacity and cannot keep pace with orders. Steel tariffs have pushed frame costs up by 18–22%, directly impacting project budgets. Material shortages require customers to plan well ahead for custom orders. Timing matters considerably for pricing. Awning installations cost the most from May when demand peaks. Winter months from November to February offer substantial discounts. Ordering between January and March locks in lower prices before spring. Demand drives costs higher. Contractors provide better deals during off-peak seasons, and spring and fall transitions create additional savings opportunities. Modern awnings deliver real financial benefits. They reduce direct sunlight exposure, keeping indoor spaces cooler and lowering air conditioning costs. The energy savings show up on utility bills month after month. Awnings protect outdoor furniture from UV damage, extending its lifespan significantly. Today's retractable systems include motorized controls, wind sensors, and remote operation that prevent weather damage. These features turn patios and decks into comfortable, climate-controlled spaces usable throughout the year. Best Awning Company completes 96% of projects on schedule through advanced supply chain management and project coordination. Their custom inventory tracking system maintains material availability. Field technicians conduct detailed site visits before construction starts, identifying challenges early and reducing costly change orders by 67%. Material deliveries sync with installation schedules to prevent delays. Customers track project progress online for real-time visibility. The company coordinates complementary upgrades like patio lighting. Transparent communication and consistent workmanship maintain quality while managing customer expectations throughout the process.